What's the bet? Funny Mike not gonna have more than 4 points. Yes or no?
I think he'll have 4 points.
Or more?
Or more.
Okay. Ray?
Ray's a hooper.
10 points. Yes or no?
I'm gonna say yeah.
Okay. Ray 10 points. Duke 6 points. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 4, 10, and 6. We're gonna see.
14.5 on B-Lou.
On B-Lou, you got the over. I'm gonna take the under.
Take the under too.
You wanna make a friendly bet?
I'm down.
What you want to bet? How much dinner normally costs for you? Alright, bet. You wanna make $100 bet? Bet.
Oh, I love my cousin. I don't know if I love that.
It's something to do.
That's a bad bet.
That's a good bet.
It's a
good bet.
It's good for you. You have nothing to lose.
I thought that was your cousin.
Hey, he got the over.
Hey, do you believe in your cousin?
He got the over.
You believe in your cousin? Yeah. He got 6 points, but still give you the bet. He ain't gonna hit a 3 this whole game.
You should have bet on that.
What you wanna bet? How much he had?
Cool 9.
He had a cool 9.
And one old dude.
But he cost you what?
Okay.
We didn't show them the food.
It was really good.
Yeah.
House-made.
Maybe he could like draw it on. So what was that?
It's house-made churros,
Okay.
vanilla ice cream. That was it.
And that was it. Bet. So where are we off to now?
Wait a second. We're going home.
Finally.
Finally.
3 long days.
Yeah. What the hell?
So does
Shadion.
Who?
There's Shadion just walking down the street.
What was that?
He's content creator.
Oh. Ray didn't have his points. He missed it by 1.
Yeah.
It was at 10.
Duke had his points.
Yes, Duke.
More than enough.
Way more.
I don't know. You were betting on Duke, on B-Lou.
Oh yeah. Shout out for the $100.
Speaking of $100, you might as well just send that right over here to me.
How fast can we get back to Atlanta? Quarter. Get a walk around. We could check under the hood or something after we come back from the test drive.
Oh, this a police car. Oh, hell no.
Yo check. Oh, now you gonna lie, check. It's about to get ugly, check.
Ooh.
What's going on, Chuck?
The chamber.
See, we go Bulletproof on a Thursday because we decided the IRL stream. See, we go streamer status, then we go Bulletproof to make sure that we make it home. Yeah, I advise y'all to do the same.
What y'all think, man?
You got lights in the back too.
You got lights in the back too? I mean, this is the fun part, right?
No, it's the easy part.
It is?
Yeah, it's the easy part.
I don't think this is the easy part.
It is, man.
I think this is the fun part. T-Pain over there?
Yeah.
Who else over there? Ray J over there?
I know, I said Ray J was trying to get us on the tour to get on there.
Oh, yeah, see?
He just got on there.
She gonna work.
My bad.
What's the stop number?
For the GLE 350, that's the one.
So the
80. Hold on.
what is it? The whole home equity.
You said 806.
Yes, sir. All right, I'll be in touch via WhatsApp.
Kick it too. That's just my mind where I'm at. Where it's like, if I don't gotta spend an extra 30, do I spend an extra 30 on me just one bulletproof joint? Who? Sell it. Sell it. So I can write him a song. Sell it. So I know what the budget got in it. I know what you just spent. Sell it. I dare you to sell it. Right.
Well, good to see you, bro. For sure.
Alright, bro.
I don't know. We'll see. It might stick me at 135 just because I feel like we need it. Just because I feel like we need it. You want to get in there pressing buttons and shit.
When the top down is hard, though, I ain't gonna lie.
Look, can we close the door?
Let's clean the top down. The top down.
You know what it is?
It's Miami.
Yeah.
This is good for Miami.
Yeah, go to the wing and stuff. On Monday for sure.
I'm gonna do some numbers. I might get that foundation. That might make more sense than going to Tesla.
I got you. You can eat it. I got you.
That one over there. Oh, they just moved it. I see them. They do too much.
No.
Right there.
Game we just went through. That bulletproof right here.
I know it's bullet. I felt the doors.
What you think?
You know, cars.
Yeah.
Shit. I just bought
So
some range
just to let you know, to do any level 5 bulletproof is almost
It's like 60,000. I'm near with you. I understand that, but I'm not.
He just added 40,000 on it.
No,
Like I'm something else. I know what it goes.
trust me. Look. I sell a whole bunch of them. Look. The real one, if you do the top on everything.
I know what the numbers say. B6 285. I know.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I know what the numbers say.
Yeah.
No cap.
He's waiting.
I told her one thing about the door.
We selling those joints without the bulletproof. We selling those joints without the bulletproof for
Not no
over 120.
2023.
Not no 23.
That's a 22, exactly. So if you're
right,
not selling
right.
23 like that,
But
you're
it's
definitely not selling
bulletproof.
22.
to be at?
But it's bulletproof.
120.
That's a crazy number.
Is that steep? Am I asking for too much?
Out the door?
If they at 135,
135 ain't easy money.
But I know that.
Out the door?
you gotta try to at least come to the middle or something.
Yeah, because that's a steal. I keep it a buck.
Yeah,
You
because
didn't want
think
to buy
about
this
what
joint.
you just said. When you wanted to go get it, and then you was know what you gonna spend, and then what you got to spend the bulletproof.
And then the time that it's going to take.
This is the catch. This is the
And
catch.
then the
I got
time
the
that it's
GMC in
gonna take.
Florida right now. I can get out the door at under 100, right under 100.
That's
like
a
not-
GMC.
But it's a GMC.
The car costs
I'm worried
60
about. It's the
grand.
same thing. I'm just worried about it being bulletproof. That's what I need it for. At that point, I'd rather as well go get the
So this
GMC
bulletproof I chop
and
off
take
for you
another
then.
40 and go buy another property.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? If I'm gonna play smart ball.
Go get it. That's what I did. See, I bought a bunch of property. Like you thinking right. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, for me, if I was you, if it don't really matter between Escalade or GMC, get the GMC. But you know it's a difference. I know it's a difference. You know that Escalade sign is a little different.
Man,
I'll make sure on Monday. If I don't see them, or I might just pull up on you on Monday.
let me ask you this. How many times usually go to the club, I spend like 5-6 grand. Exactly. So what's the difference with 5-6
Ask me, am
grand?
I really a club nigga now?
I mean, you might not be. You might not be. I get it.
4 or 5 years ago. I don't give a damn about that.
What's the safety run?
I'm literally on safety. I'm not even up in here buying a car.
$33,999 on our website. Looks like they have a $2,000 discount. With this, it's a 100 car. It shows, based on Carfax, even doing that $31.99 price, it gives us, basically says fair value to good value. I can send this to you as well so you can see, but I mean, with you, it would be a cash purchase, I imagine.
We're gonna get a Honda this year, and we're gonna bulletproof that car. You feel me? A Honda this year.
No, that's not comparable. Let me do this for you. Let me get you the total cash numbers, just basically the fees.
Yeah, man, let's see what's going on, man. Get some food. Went to go get the Bulletproof. Let's see how that motherfucker turns out. I got some motherfucking food. I'll take my home.
That boy go steak and lobster. Can't even enjoy his food. or down 1,000. or down 1,000. Brother. What good? What good, brother?